Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to continue our look at applications of quadratic functions. So let's say here's our setup. A motorcycle stunt rider jumped across Snake River. The path of his motorcycle was given approximately by this function, where capital H measured the height in feet above the river and x was the distance from his launch ramp. So let's kind of get an idea of what we're talking about here. Let's say here's the river, and we have a general path for the motorcyclist of a parabola, something like this, okay? So let's say he starts over here, and he hopefully lands safely over here. So this would be his t equals 0 time frame, and also his x equals 0. Okay, x is the distance from his launch ramp. So x is going to increase as he goes away from the launch ramp, and his height is going to be measured. It's going to go up, up, up till he reaches his top height, and then it's going to go down until it comes down back over here to 0 when he lands. So here we go. What was the rider's maximum height above the river? So if we're thinking about maximum height, we're thinking about trying to find this point right here. We call that point the vertex of our parabola. In order to find the vertex of a parabola, we are going to find first the x-coordinate of the vertex by doing negative b over 2a. Once we have that x-coordinate, we'll find the y-coordinate by plugging that value back in to our equation. That will give us our maximum height. Okay, so let's get started here. First, finding our x-coordinate, negative b over 2a. Well, since our equation is already in standard form, this negative 0.005 is going to be our a, and 2.39 is going to be our b. So that's going to be negative 2.39 divided by 2 times negative 0.005. Using my calculator there, that comes out to be 239. Now that's not his maximum height. Remember, that's actually the x distance where he reaches that maximum height. So now we want to find out what is his maximum height, or what is his height at 239 feet across from his ramp. So plugging that in, that will be negative 0.005 times 239 squared plus 2.39 times 239 plus 600. Using our calculator to evaluate that, we get 885.605 feet. So the maximum height above the river that our rider reached was 885.605 feet. All right, let's see. Same setup. Now part B. How far, a horizontal distance, was the rider from the ramp when he reached his maximum height? Well, we actually just found that out in part A. Remember from our little diagram that we had our river and then we had our rider's path. We said that this vertex of our parabola happened at x equals negative b over 2a, and that the height achieved there was the maximum height. So recall, we found that negative b over 2a, or this equation, was negative 2.39 divided by 2 times negative 0.005. and that came out to be 239 feet. So when the rider hit his maximum height at the vertex of his path, he was 239 feet from his launch ramp. Alright guys, that does it for this video on applications of quadratic functions. We'll catch you next time.